Malay natin, we're gonna need a guy like LA in the playoffs. You've seen what he's done in the playoffs. We've seen what he's done to the playoffs. Personally, I've seen what he's done in the playoffs against our team. So I think for him, the door is there. It's his choice for him to enter that door or to keep it closed.
For Magnolia, wala naman masyado nangyari nung off-season. Hindi kami masyado na sa dyaryo, so wala masyado magbabago. But for our team, what we're preaching for, and also for the fans, is a little bit of patience. There's a lot of changes in our team from yours truly all the way to our captain Paul, lahat yan bago, obviously our coaching staff. We hope to do well to begin the year, but it's not how we start. We're looking at how we finish. If we continue to improve every day through the leadership of LA and our new players, we'll be happy. Dati, sabi ni LA, sabi niya dun sa mga player, sanay ako sa bonus kaya kailangan maabot tayo sa bonus. So we're hoping that we are able to turn things around and go much farther this coming conference and the conferences ahead. But again, the request is a little bit of patience with the fans, with our team. Thank you.
Designate Coach Ellie Tenorio as playing coach. Paano po naging decision niyo po with regards to that?
Yeah, as you well know, LA actually has, I don't know if you're aware, actually LA has a live contract. He has a live contract with Barangay Ginebra at the end of the year. So he still has, if I'm not mistaken, the entire year as a player. No? Mahirap naman kung coach namin siya, tapos player siya ng Ginebra. May rata kami nun. So, we have to... So, but you know, it's such an advantage. Can you imagine right now? He comes in as our 16th guy. If someone becomes injured, malay nyo, diba? Malay natin. We're gonna need a guy like LA in the playoffs. You've seen what he's done in the playoffs. We've seen what he's done to the playoffs. Personally, I've seen what he's done in the playoffs against our team. So I think for him, the door is there. It's his choice for him to enter that door or to keep it closed.
At nung meet, it went through the proper process. When after he became a free agent, any team had an opportunity to acquire LA. When the time had lapsed, no one picked him up. He was released without full free agent. We're honored that we were again given the opportunity to play to start the season, especially given the magnitude of the opening in the 50th season. We also recognize that big game kagad. It's something that I believe the fans is going to be a treat for the fans. But at the same time, on our end, as a team, it is one of 11 games. They all count the same. But it would be nice to win.
Contrast na lang yung